Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw my version of Thor for Among Us. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this Thor, and hope you guys like the little design I did for this. So to begin, we're going to draw in the visor area first. Just one curve, and then on top right here, we just go out. Just come back down, just round it out. And then I'll start on this side. Just draw a curve and just connect that. Alright, so that's the visor, and then now I'm going to draw the back of the head right here. Just come out. Just draw one little curve like this first. So the top of the head is going to have the helmet. So I'm going to come to right around here. Just go up. You make a little point. So it's going to be a little bit pointier. Curve up. Now come back down here to this point. So that's going to give us the head and the helmet. So to finish up the helmet, just right in the middle of this, right here. Make a little point from this, curve all the way out. Same thing here, just come across slightly, draw another curve. And then now to finish up the details for the helmet, I'm just going to draw one smooth curve on the top. Alright, so there's more detail up here. Let's go ahead and come down and draw the body first. So before I draw the body, I'm going to have to draw part of the cape right here. So right on this corner, just come down. Just draw a circle. And then on this side right here, this is going to be the cape, right on the top of the circle. Just curve out first. Okay, same thing here on the bottom. I'll just curve out, and I'll just stop there. So I'll finish up the cape later. Let's continue on with the body. So I'm gonna come down here, continue this, right behind the cape, all the way down. And now on this side, continue this. Okay, so stop a little bit shorter than this line right here. All right, and then now for the foot, curve, same thing here. Slightly smaller curve. Now this side right here, I'm gonna come up. And then on this side, one curve past this line right here. And then now for the other leg, just go up. All right, so that's the overall body shape. And now to draw the circle on this side, so just right on the corner right here, just kind of tuck it in. Okay, so now let's draw in the cool looking cape. So I'm gonna start on the top side first. Just smooth it out. Just gonna give it a nice little wavy line to it. And then this side, same thing here on the bottom. We'll go all the way out to the corner right here and just kind of close it off. Okay, and then to finish off the bottom of the cape, start right here. I'm gonna curve, just curve in and then stop. So don't connect that. Because I'm gonna draw one more right here, just come down, and then now you can just kind of tuck it right behind the body. All right, so this is the underside of the cape. Okay, so now let's come back up here and draw in the cool looking wings right here on the helmet. Start right here, curve up, and then I'm gonna go this way, so give it a nice flow. Now I'm gonna come down. I'm gonna draw a couple of these. Start right here, draw another curve. Start in here again, one more curve, so we're right around here. And then on the bottom, we'll go out and then just kind of tuck it back right into the helmet. Okay, so on this side, it's gonna be slightly different because we're seeing it at a different angle. So I'm gonna start right here, curve up, come down, start here, and then just gonna tuck it right behind the helmet. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the top. Let's go ahead and draw in the hand with the hammer. So I'm gonna start on the side right here for the thumb. Just one little egg shape. And then from here, I'm gonna draw a bigger egg shape. Okay, just round it, tuck it right behind the thumb. And then to divide up the fingers, I'm just gonna add 2 lines. Okay, so now we can draw in the hammer. So I'm gonna start right here. At an angle, we'll close out off first. Continue on to the bottom right here. So whatever slant you have there, just continue it down. And then let's add in those wrappings. So we're just gonna draw in some lines. Just give it a little bit of variation in the directions. All right, so to finish off the hammer, right here on this line, I'll just extend it. And I'm just gonna draw in a large rectangle. And then now on the ends, I'm gonna taper in and then close it off. Okay, and then on the top here, just one more little detail. Just a little bracket, another rectangle. Alright, so that is it for my version of Thor for Among Us. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.